I started out in the games industry as a junior modeler at a company called Pickpock. We did a lot of mobile games and console games. And then I moved through my kind of game dev career into a position as a modeler at a small indie company. We were in our lounge, there was like 4 of us. It was the kind of the indie dream. But eventually, we kind of parted ways and I became a modeler at Weta Digital, which was a fantastic opportunity. After a couple of years there, I got to the senior level and then decided to leave after we'd kind of had Cine Studios going in the background for a while, and we were just really excited about what we were doing.
To be honest, I was actually just making my own games. I just had so many ideas that I wanted to make and nobody wanted to join in with me, so I just thought, okay then, I'll do it by myself. So that's literally how it all started, and because of my need to create the things that I'm imagining, I just took on all the tasks myself, and I've done most of these projects by myself.
The prior job that I had before starting Code to Inspire was being a professor in the computer science faculty for about 3 years.
Probably about 15 years ago now, I started making educational software using web development tools. Then I moved into the games industry, worked as a gameplay programmer for a few years.
So the way that I got my start in the games industry was through a QA game testing job. And from there, I decided to go to school and obtain my bachelor's degree in game art and design. And then during my last year of school, I actually helped start a game company with some friends and students, and we built and shipped 2 games on our own.
My first ever position in the field started when I was working as a developer in the School of Design and Architecture. I was using Unity to build custom VR applications. I went on to become a BIM specialist. In that position, it allowed me to use Unity not only for the design, but also the construction of many large projects.
I was in the IT industry for about 22 years, but along the way I've been a project manager, I have led software development teams, and so I think my background in IT helps me structure my projects really well. As a project manager, I believe every game needs good project management around it in order to understand your goals, understand your deliverables, know how you're going to get to the end, and how you split up your work into achievable chunks. I think my background in IT helped a lot, and then leading that into being a game developer has kind of put me on the career path to working at Unity now.